So in today's video, I have a farmhouse tier tray styling 2025. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start out by cleaning off my tier tray. Now this was a great buy, guys. I thrifted it and it is beautiful and perfect for a farmhouse theme. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now, as I said before, this tier tray was thrifted from the Goodwill, and all of the other items that I'm going to be using to decorate did come from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the styling. Alright, so I'm really loving the placement of all of these items. And of course, we're going to have to end this with a bow. And I chose white because the tier tray was white. So this is perfect, guys. Then we're going to head on over to the reveal. this came out gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.